Welcome to English Speedcast.
Excuse me. Hi, can you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need?
I think I'm lost. My boarding pass says gate B12, but when I went there, the screen showed a different flight. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go now.
Let me check for you. What's your destination?
I'm flying to Tokyo.
Okay, give me a second. Looks like your gate changed to C7 about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, I didn't hear any announcement.
It happens sometimes. Airport announcements can be hard to hear when the terminal is crowded.
True. I was buying a coffee, so I probably missed it. Is C7 far from here?
Not too far. Just go straight down this hallway, turn left, and follow the signs for Terminal C. It should take you around 5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's okay. But is the flight delayed? My boarding time was supposed to be now.
Yes, your flight is delayed by about 20 minutes because of weather conditions. Nothing serious, just some air traffic congestion.
Ah, I see. I was worried I would miss my connecting flight in Tokyo.
What time is your connection?
About 3 hours after I land.
Then you're perfectly safe. Even with the delay, you'll have plenty of time.
That's a relief. Thank you so much. Traveling always makes me a little nervous.
Don't worry, you're doing great. Airports can be confusing, especially with last-minute gate changes.
Do gate changes happen often?
Yes, especially for international flights. Sometimes the plane needs a different parking spot or the airline wants to manage the traffic flow.
Interesting. I never knew that. I guess it's normal then.
Very normal. Just keep an eye on the screens. They update in real time.
I will. Thanks again for your help and for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight to Tokyo and safe travels.
Thanks. Have a great day.